enshonga z'itaka ry'ekibire kyasaza Local Forest Reserve nemwe nshonga etwire Rebecca atwine omuri Ibanda okureba nshonga egi ogu nayambaho President Museveni anshonga z'oburi bwenguzi kandi okuhika omuri Ibanda kirugirira buri bwenguzi kusimba emizi kandi buri kwenegezebwa abebembezi omuri na ofisi ya RDC anshonga egi abugineho omugiga George Mutala omwe abatahirire omwanya gw'ekibire eki bito kubugana kwabo nako kubire kuryo kwampiguza ndabeho nikigambwa ngo Mutara akatunga lease omwaka gw'2020 okuruga district y'Ambarara eyabire netwara omwanya ogu obwahatabira ryo mu nteekateeka zo kombeka ikinduro rya Majista bitu bamwe abatura batikagwaha
wakajana yakora ki due diligence cyo agamba sebo wafune ebitabo waba sure ngweritaka neryaba Land Commission nibyo twena ngo tuhereze papure ebyo otuhereze ngo Land Commission ekakwandikira yakwaneki n'ekipapura and later kuba bagambe ngo tukashobya then you sue them. If someone sells to you ekintu kitari kyekye wamuha babira nono ndakugira ata this nchimanyisa kinaja nti this nchimanyisa
this way
kana tko yuno mbuza which
yes that one
okano chimayiwa enoza kwa applying alize jingweje forest reserve ninga nje yuno gama kutubara kugambira bakakosesho I think cyo wanogamba ngo bakakushomesa
I've not told you someone made
which negligence did they do what jang to bakaba neglect manation
but not on my part. I've not told you that
so
someone made me make a mistake. I've not told you that.
Negligence
on the part of government.
For doing what?
For not taking due diligence.
Due diligence
to know where this land belongs to them or where does it end. Demarcation.
Ba brother okazaro na brother omwenzi
Jacqueline orkwenda kubinga omwanya ogu twamanyisibwa ngo ekikache kitwira omwanya ogu okuhingura emyaka igana
zirikwa kawo kwija kubasho kuza kweshobora akonye nanye ndubusya nani nza kwa duplicatinga eshobora yitaka numari nyoni kurateyo tushaka cyo kubaza n'ibyafaye cya kabiri evidence history cya kabiri evidence rero cya kashatu niteka so evidence can be taken down now msini kwa kawo.
You also came to me ejenzo yo kurebeje ekombe kwaho ukarukumo rwenda kabiri nazinga it's what they are alleging why they gereza and this place hakata chiba kweta government. So when we came and said we have the land title, we have this is the government land.
You had a land title?
They said of course we have a map.
Okay, a map that shows it's a reserve.
We said this is a government land. Zana yakujati nyowe nkazarwa. Nashahe myaka 95. Omyaka 95, how do you tell me that this is a government land? Where have you been?
Angawe kibira wahura abantu bajangwe kine kibira. Wagenda kuchondoza kumanya ngo cyo kibira kikabagyare kibira. Kandi ekitongore ekikubrarizwa birani chiha. Ekitongore cyo kimaji. National Forestry Authority and the Ministry of Water and Environment. Wazayo wabuza omregister zabo forest erohoka forest reserve.
Bwanyuma y'enshonga yitakeri habireho no kubugana habebembezo kureba ezindi nshonga omuri n'ekigombe cy'abarodi ekirukuragira ngo mutura waza kufa obanze wahaye byawe byona kandi kiragirwe kukingwa hamwe n'ebindi. Gasha kwa Timose Mushabe omuri Ibanda district.